Sometimes in life, we feel lost. We chase success, money, relationships, fame, yet at night, when it's just us and our thoughts, there's an emptiness inside. Deep down, we know something is missing. That something is not from this world, it's from our Creator. Allah. He has been calling you every single day. Maybe through a verse you randomly heard. Maybe through a moment when you almost fell, but He saved you.
Maybe through that pain you couldn't explain, which pushed you to search for Him. But the question is, have you been listening? You see, Allah's call isn't always a loud voice from the sky. It's gentle. It's hidden in the small moments.
The feeling of peace in sujood, the tears that suddenly fall when you hear the Quran. He's calling you back to Him. Not because He needs you, He is free of need. But because you need Him. Because your soul was made by Him and will only find peace with Him. Maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe your sins feel too heavy. But Allah is saying, come to me and I will forgive you. No matter what you've done. So don't wait. Don't let this call go unanswered. This life is short, and the next could begin at any moment. Tonight, when you are alone, speak to Allah. No fancy words needed. Just you and your heart. Say, Ya Allah, I'm here. I've been away, but I want to come back. Because when Allah calls you, and you respond, you will find the peace your heart has been searching for all along. Allah is calling you. Will you respond? The choice is yours. Like, comment, and share this video so more hearts can be inspired to return to Allah. Subscribe for more Islamic reminders that nourish your soul and strengthen your Iman.